Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got some really super exciting news today, and in response to the last video we did about Ozzy's secret cologne, yeah, thanks to you guys for pushing and watching that video as much as you did. We got great response. So much response, as a matter of fact, that I want to address some of the comments in that video. Off the bat, let me confirm that Ozzy's secret scent, Ozzy's whole mysterious cologne, Check and Speak number 88, made in London. 100% confirmed. There's no more talking about it. How do I know? I called them. I called them on the phone. So this was an exciting phone call. I did get to speak to them, and I started to make my pitch about the video, and they had already seen it. They'd passed it all around the office, shared it with all their family and friends. In a somber time, it was a nice tribute. And at the time, Check and Speak had done their own tribute. For Ozzy's memorial, they drove a case of the EDP down to the family and friends and paid their respects. Really class act, Check and Speak. You guys are awesome. So I got to confirm with the guys over there across the pond that yes, Ozzy's special scent that he wore himself was number 88. And he wore it from the inception of number 88 being manufactured. So I got to be pretty friendly with the guys across the pond. And they absolutely confirmed that Ozzy's preferred scent was number 88. And he wore it in the cologne strength all the way up until 2018 because they didn't offer the EDP until 2018. But once they did, he switched over. So what's an EDP? I don't know. I can't pronounce it, but it's the stronger level of what cologne is. So there's different levels of stuff, and basically that's how much alcohol carrier that it's cut with, right? This is what I'm learning about colognes as we did this whole thing. There's a lot of alcohol in like an aftershave type of thing, and you dump that all over yourself. And then cologne, there's a little less alcohol, and then in EDP is a really concentrated formula. And that's what Ozzy chose to wear. And I have that confirmed in an email right here from the guys. So what am I doing? I'm just sitting here making a video confirming everybody that thought it was number 88. Hey, you guys were right. And everybody that thought it was something else. Sorry, you guys were wrong. There's something else. This showed up in the mail from freaking London. Well, a processing center in New Jersey. They made it in London and shipped it to New Jersey in their warehouse, to which they shipped it to me from the warehouse. It's a freaking box from Check and Speak. This is awesome. I can't wait to see what's in here. I really have no idea. So we're going to do it together on camera. Come on. Seems really big to be a bottle of cologne, right? I don't know what's going on. Boy, they packed that, didn't they? Wow. It is the 100 milliliter EDP of number 88. This is incredible. I tell you, since smelling it, number 88 is my scent. I have dedicated this to be the only thing that I wear. That's all I want to smell like. And I mean, I want to wear it around the house. I'm just so, I just want this in my nostrils. There's something else in here. What is this about? No way. This is incense sticks. They make number 88 incense sticks. No way. That is so cool. All right, admittedly, I will wear a little bit of number 88 just around the house. Like I could be sitting here editing and I'll just put a little bit on because it's for me, right? I want to smell it. I want to smell it on me. I enjoy it. Now, listen, this is not an endorsed video. This is not a paid video. They sent me a thank you. That's it. And I'm saying thank you to them. If you guys want to go out and get yourself some number 88 because of your connection to Ozzy, because you want to try it out, just because, cool. I mean, I encourage it. I like it, but they're not in any means paying me or asking me to do this. Let me make that clear, okay? Dude, this is just, oh, this is just it. Yes, let's get it out of there and see the bottle. It's just filling the room already. It's so strong. try not to wreck the box. There we go. That is a class act all the way down to the bottle. Super cool. Oh, oh, it just melts you. All right, we're gonna do one. Man, is it just so strong. Oh, it's just so strong. I love it. Well, that's it. That's the confirmation. That's exactly what Ozzy would wear. Check and Speak, number 88. 100% confirmed. Now we know. Check them out online, checkandspeak.com. They're good guys, and it smells freaking amazing. This is my scent forever, like forever and ever. Now, if you've been on the Check and Speak website, you know that it's back ordered, like a lot, like 4 weeks back ordered on the EDP, on the cologne, on anything to do with number 88. And they're doing their best to keep up with orders. But I did get a chance to chat with the guys a little bit over there, and they said they have something really exciting coming up, and they're not allowed to tell me about it yet. As soon as they are, and as soon as they're ready to break it, they promised they'd let me know first so I could let you know first. I have no idea what it is. I don't know what the big news is. They said it's really exciting. They said they got a lot of work into it, and they're not allowed to tell anybody yet. So I'm super excited for that. And as soon as I know anything, I will let you guys know immediately. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope this is something that can bring you a little closer to Ozzy. We all miss him. He's forever the Prince of Darkness and forever touched each and every one of our hearts. I love you, Ozzy.